Okay, last up for this section and also this chapter is temperature. Okay, so topic three, temperature. We're going to simply convert between Fahrenheit and Celsius. Okay, there's also Kelvin. That might be it in the book, but for us, we're just going to look at Fahrenheit and Celsius. So here in the US, Fahrenheit, lots of other places in the world, Celsius. It's worth knowing how to convert between the two. Okay. So if you're going to take Celsius and convert it to Fahrenheit, so you want to know what Fahrenheit equals, you would then, if you wanted that, you would take 9/5 times whatever your degrees Celsius were, and then you'd add 32 to that. Luckily, 9/5 is the same as 1.8. So a lot of times we'll just use 1.8 times whatever your degrees Celsius are, and then add 32. Now, the flip side, if we have Fahrenheit, but we want to know what Celsius equals, it's a different critter. So in that case, we want to take our degrees Fahrenheit and subtract 32 first, then multiply that by 5/9. And unfortunately, there's not a pretty decimal equivalent to 5/9. So we really do just have to use the fraction here. Okay. So be careful, follow the order of operations. Otherwise, you can get answers that are just incorrect. Okay. So example four says convert each temperature. So first we have 46 degrees Celsius. We want to convert that to degrees Fahrenheit. So we want to know what Fahrenheit equals. And it just so happens that Fahrenheit equals 1.8 times degrees Celsius plus 32. So 1.8 times 46 plus 32. And according to the order of operations, we need to multiply first, add second. So let's figure out what 1.8 times 46 is. I get 82.8. And then to that 82.8, we want to add 32. So you add 32 at the end. So you should get 114.8. So Fahrenheit equals 114.8 degrees. Okay. So it really is, it's that simple. All right. Now for part B, we have 50 degrees Fahrenheit. We want to convert that to degrees Celsius. So we want to know, what does Celsius equal? Well, Celsius equals 5/9, and then in parentheses, degrees Fahrenheit minus 32. Because F minus 32 is in parentheses, that tells us we have to do that first, okay? So we get 5/9 times 50 minus 32. Well, 50 minus 32 is what, 18? So we get 5/9 times 18. You could do this one in your head because you have nice, pretty numbers here, or you could use a calculator. Whatever you're comfortable with is fine. And you end up getting that C equals 10 degrees. So 50 degrees Fahrenheit is equal to 10 degrees Celsius. Okay? Let's do two more. So we have 35 degrees Celsius. We want to convert that to Fahrenheit. So we want to know, what does Fahrenheit equal? Well, Fahrenheit equals 1.8 times degrees Celsius plus 32. So it equals 1.8 times 35 plus 32. So let's see, 1.8 times 35 is 63. So we get 63 plus 32. So we should get F equals 95 degrees. So Fahrenheit is 95 degrees. That is assuming you started out with 35 degrees Celsius. All right. One more, and then we are done with this section, this chapter. Pat yourselves on the back. You got through your first chapter. Nice work. All right, we have 10 degrees Fahrenheit. We want to convert this to degrees Celsius. So let me actually start with the formula. We want to know what Celsius equals. Celsius equals 5/9 times degrees Fahrenheit minus 32. So we get 5/9 times 10 minus 32. Well, 10 minus 32 is a negative. It's negative 22. So we get 5/9 times negative 22. And then 5/9 times negative 22, you can type that into your calculator. You can do the work on paper, whatever you prefer. This one's going to be a little bit nastier. You're going to get a decimal. So I would say use your calculator. So parentheses 5 divided by 9 times parentheses negative 22. And I get negative 12.2 repeating. So I would say Celsius equals negative 12.2 degrees. If we round, let's just go one decimal place here. Okay. And that's it. So a lot of work. All right. Remember, chapter 9, we're skipping around a little bit. After we do chapter 9, we'll still have to do chapters 6, 7, 8, 11, and 12. I just like to start with chapter 9. It's pretty easy. It's not the hardest thing. It's something most people have at least a little bit of experience with, so it's a bit of review. It's a little bit more forgiving. It's also going to be an online test, whether you're face to face or in an online course. This test is going to be in Pearson for you, okay? And the reason for that is there's so many conversions. Why not just have them right there? Have it be an open note, open conversion sheet test, okay? So that wraps up chapter 9. Make sure you do all your homework, any other assignments you have for you. Practice, practice, practice. Your test will be in Pearson. All right.